Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the emergency hammer quickly and confirming its tools. This saves seconds in shock. Once found, grip the handle firmly with your dominant hand and position your feet stable to brace against recoil. Make sure to spot any seatbelt webbing tangled around you. You'll use the cutter before breaking glass if trapped. Move decisively and keep breathing steady so you can apply force accurately rather than wildly. After freeing yourself from the restraint, focus on the glass removal. Tempered side windows shatter into small pieces, so strike a corner rather than the center. This concentrates stress and reduces effort. Once done, use short, controlled hammer blows, 2 or 3, rather than pounding continuously, because targeted impacts break the pain faster. If the cutter is dull, twist the belt under the blade while pulling to create tension and ease the cut. With the window broken, clear a path and exit carefully using your forearm protected by fabric to avoid lacerations. Once out, move to a safe area away from traffic. If the window fails to break after several deliberate strikes, try shifting to an adjacent corner and apply stronger, angled impacts. Alternatively, use the handle as a wedge to pry a crack open. Make sure to signal responders and check yourself for cuts. Apply pressure to any bleeding and get medical help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.